AQ Pro BLOCKFORCE Indicator instantly spots key institutional zones, filters out weak order blocks, and shows you where real price reactions are likely to happen. Here's what appears when the indicator loads on your chart. Green and red zones mark key order blocks. Green for possible buy zones, red for sell zones. Each is labeled as classic, strong, or extreme, based on how important or strong the zone is. Order blocks move forward with each new candle. When price touches one, it fades and gets a dashed border to show it's no longer active. A red means the price has gone too far, and the zone should not be used. You'll also see order blocks from higher time frames, clearly marked with their original time frame. The tool uses strong filtering rules to remove weak or unnecessary zones, so your chart stays clean. It's best used to confirm trades, not as a signal by itself. Let's go over the indicator settings. Start by enabling Show Order Blocks from Current Time Frame. This activates zones from your chart's selected time frame. Then turn on Show Classic Order Blocks, Show Strong Order Blocks, and Show Extreme Order Blocks. All three types will be visible and labeled on your chart. Next, toggle Use Age Filter. Set max age to 500 and min age to 0. This removes older order blocks after 500 bars while allowing new ones to show immediately. Now go to Multi-Time Frame Settings. Enable Show MTF Order Blocks and choose your preferred time frame. Here it's set to 1 hour. This shows higher time frame order blocks on your current chart. Turn on Use Age Filter. Set max age to 1000 and min age to 0. This keeps your multi-time frame zones clean and timely. Now customize your visuals. Choose blue and orange for classic order blocks, green and red for strong, and bright pink for extreme. Once done, click OK to apply the settings. Here's a simple buy trade setup. Look for a bullish order block in green, preferably labeled strong or extreme. Make sure price has pulled back into this zone without breaking below it. Once price taps the zone and shows signs of reversal like a bullish candle, enter a buy trade. Place your stop loss just below the order block. Set your take profit using a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, if you followed this setup, the trade would have hit take profit successfully. Here's a simple sell trade setup. Wait for a bearish order block in red. Again, look for strong or extreme. Let price rally into the zone without breaking above it. Once price touches the zone and starts to reverse with a bearish signal like a pin bar formation, take a sell trade. Place your stop loss just above the order block. Aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio for take profit. As you can see, letting this trade run would have also hit the take profit target. And that's how you use AQ Pro BLOCKFORCE Indicator to spot smart order block zones and take clear, confident, and high probability trades. To get started, head over to our official website shown on your screen now, choose your plan, and we'll activate the AQ Pro BLOCKFORCE Indicator access directly to your TradingView account. AQ Pro Scalper X Indicator spots real-time breakout signals, tracks max profit, and shows smart take profit and stop loss levels to manage your trades. Use it to catch fast entries, filter out noise, and trade breakouts confidently across multiple time frames. Here's what you see when AQ Pro Scalper X loads on your chart. Green and red arrows show where to buy or sell. Each arrow comes with a colored box that shows the price breakout area, so you can clearly see where the move started. Once a signal appears and the candle closes, the indicator draws your take profit and stop loss lines. These are shown with price labels, so you know where to exit the trade if it wins or loses. On the side of the chart, there's a dashboard that shows buy and sell signals from other time frames like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. This helps you know the bigger trend without switching charts. The indicator also shows support and resistance zones. These are key price areas that help confirm if a trade is strong or risky. Everything is automatic and easy to read. No need to guess or draw anything yourself. AQ Pro Scalper X helps you trade better by showing clear signals, smart exit levels, and strong trend support, all in one place. Let's go over the AQ Pro Scalper X settings. Start with range equals 5 and filter equals 2.5 for quick, clean signals. Turn on max profit to see how far trades go. Skip MTF signals unless you want extra confirmation. Turn on the MTF dashboard and set it to bottom right. It shows trade info from 4 timeframes without switching charts. Enable Use Current Ticker and choose 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours for your dashboard timeframes. Go to Risk Settings, turn on Take Profit and Stop Loss, and set Risk to Reward to 2. Switch on Support and Resistance Zones with a look back of 20 bars for key levels. In visual settings, keep it clean. Green for bullish, red for bearish, blue for profit, and purple for strong zones. Finally, turn on buy and sell alerts to catch every signal as it happens. That's it. Scalper X is now set to trade fast, clean, and smart. How to take a sell trade using Scalper X Indicator. Wait for a red triangle to appear. This signals a valid sell setup. Once you see the red triangle, look for the candlestick to close outside the box. This confirms a breakout to the downside. Now enter your sell trade at the marked entry point. Set your stop loss at the level displayed by the indicator, and place your take profit at the take profit level shown on the chart. Let the trade run, and as you can see here, it eventually hits the profit target. Now let's look at a buy trade. Here we've got a green triangle, which signals a valid buy setup. Again, make sure the candlestick closes outside the box. This confirms a bullish breakout. Once that happens, enter your long trade at the entry point. Set your stop loss at the level provided by the indicator, and your take profit at the take profit line just above. As the trade runs, price moves up, and in this case, it also hits the profit target successfully. And that's how you use the AQ Pro Scalper X to take clear, structured, and profitable trades. To get started, head over to our official website shown on your screen now, choose your plan, and we'll activate the AQ Pro Scalper X Indicator access directly to your TradingView account. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.